Canary Islands Animation. Create the incredible. It's no coincidence that the Canary Islands have become one of the leading animation hubs in Europe and the world. With a vibrant, creative ecosystem that includes over 20 animation companies and specialized training centers, the sector has seen a remarkable 39% growth between 2018 and 2023. In 2024, the region delivered 26 productions, including 6 feature films and 20 series. The Canary Islands offer industry-ready infrastructure, such as cutting-edge technology parks and supercomputing facilities, as well as strategic global connectivity with Europe, the Americas, and Africa. Our incentive system is among the most competitive worldwide. 54 to 45% tax deduction for investments in Spanish productions or co-productions. 54 to 45% direct tax deduction for international productions. 0% regional VAT. 4% corporation tax under the Canary Islands Special Zone. Add to this an unparalleled quality of life with year-round sunshine and breathtaking mountain and sea landscapes. Partner with our companies to produce and co-produce. Set up your studio in the islands. Look no further. The paradise of animation is real and it's awaiting you. Canary Islands Animation. Create the incredible.